During this video we're going to show you how to add a web page to your team site. You'll want to go ahead and log into Goalline, and when you do you should see the name of your team here. If you have access to multiple teams, you can switch between teams by going to the team menu area and then choosing the team that you need to edit. So to begin by adding a web page to your team site, you're going to want to go to the Communication Tools area, and you'll see an option to create a web page. Go ahead and click on that, and we'll give it just the name Test Page. And again, Test Page. And that is the extent to what you need to do in order to add a web page. I'm going to go ahead and save that. We'll go back to the created web pages for your site, and for the Baname team we have the following pages that are located in their team area. You can see here. Let's just go ahead and we'll show you what that looks like on the live site. So we'll switch to Baname's, and you can see now we have this new page up here called Test Page, and if I click on it, there will be the content that you've added. It's as simple as that. Now, once you've created your page, there's a good chance that you will need to edit that page. So again, you would log into Goalline. You'll see your I should say your team name up here. Go to Communications. Now this time, instead of creating a web page, you actually want to edit a web page. So if we move over to that, click Edit, again we see the list of pages that are available. We can delete that page altogether, or we can hit Edit. And again, you're back into the editing area of the web page, and you can add the information that you need to add as you see fit. One last thing I wanted to point out: when you're dealing with your team web pages, you can change the order. So if you wanted it in alphabetical order, I could move the test page up one, go ahead and order my pages, and now the website, if we go back to the Baname area, you will see that those web pages have been organized in alphabetical order. So you can see how I move the page up into alphabetical order. And then lastly, if you don't need a page anymore, again you'll be back in your control panel. You'll go to Communication Tools. You want to edit your web page, and then if you no longer need this page, you can go ahead and hit delete. We'll delete the page, and now you'll see that it has been removed from the site. And it's as simple as that to create, edit, and delete your web pages.